Hey y'all, hey, it's Alexis from Coffee and Camping. Today I'm going to get real with you guys and get a little vulnerable. I want to be transparent about our lives and I want to be transparent about the way we do things. So I'm going to take you guys on a tour of our 36-foot Fleetwood Bounder. It is a nice rainy and gloomy day in Texas, so I figured what better way than just see what we're cooped up in all day long. So it's not like perfectly clean. You're gonna see how we actually live in it. So before we get started, guys, I just want to let you know that I did take a video when we first moved into the RV. It is going to be kind of like intertwined with this video just to kind of let you know the before and after. It took me a while to figure out where we were going to put everything, where everything was going to go. You'll also notice we've done a few cosmetic changes. It's not so dark and drab and dreary in here anymore. We are still in the process of painting a lot of the cabinets, so you'll notice like above the bunks still haven't been painted, our hallway, our bedroom, but for the most part it looks pretty good. Well, I guess now is as good a time as any to show you guys what it looks like to live day number 2 in an RV. We moved in yesterday, or the day before, I don't know. It's all running together. We're on our way to Texas for a few months. And I don't know where anything is going to go. This is my living room I'm in right now. It's our cooler because currently the refrigerator is not working. Box into my kitchen. Yeah, so like I said, this is only like the first 72 hours, maybe even 48 hours. It's all running together of living here. That turns into a dinette, but it's where Garrett sleeps for now. Shower. A bathroom. I can't wait to Pinterest this thing. Master bedroom. I'm standing at the doorway. So, and then we've got this closet area that opens up. It's falling apart. That was the broom, but how perfect. So anyway, day whatever, but like 2 or 3 of in this thing. Can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like in a few weeks. Looks really crazy, but anyway, it's coming along. All right, front door. Garrett is actually going to show us his tooth. What are you doing?
Swing on it.
Okay, so show us the bunks, Garrett. This is where the kids sleep. Up here, is actually where we drive when we are moving, and if you look up in the corner I've got a link to the video that will show you how we take down and put up the bunks. It's a little thing that Dathan came up with, but right now Garrett's just going to show you guys where him and Addison sleep and hang out. These are like their own little rooms.
But this is sorry it's a mess, but this is mostly my bunk right here. I have my bunk, and it's just, I have little space under here. Someone's under there. But I have a little space under there, keep my toys and stuff.
It's a nice bunk.
And if I go into here, I can actually lay down and see the bottom of Addison's bunk. See, I have pictures on here and stuff.
And what else can you do on your bunk that you love to do so much?
Play my Xbox.
Play your Xbox. All right, Garrett, thanks for showing us a tour of your bunks. Hey. What?
Addison's there.
Oh, you're gonna show Addison's bunk. Okay, go ahead.
So, this is Addison's bunk. She has a cubby hole, some cabinets, and she has a big bunk too. She doesn't have a under space like I showed you. She doesn't, cause under her bunk is my bunk, and yeah.
Okay.
And this is the net, and
all right. So that was the bunks. And this is our living room. There's kitty cat just chilling. Yeah, this is our couch, living room area. This is where, you know, we hang out. We got cabinets up here. This is actually where I keep most of the homeschooling stuff.
Books.
There's a lot of their books and their curriculum. I've got a mess up there I need to organize. More stuff up there. So here is what I have dubbed the hallway. Oh, that's actually the dog, but this is what I've dubbed the hallway, leading into the kitchen to the back of the house. That right there is a little contraption we came up with. Cut a hole in the back of the dinette set, and that's where we keep the litter boxes underneath this bench. And it's amazing. It's got out of our way. My perfectly quaint little kitchen. I'm able to, this is about what it looks like during the day. Usually in the morning, the sink is full of dishes, and I always wash them first thing. Cool thing about, or the one thing that you got to realize about an RV is every space counts. So this is literally one small cabinet. This is all of our dishes that we use throughout the day or week or whatever. Everything's right there. So you don't have like a cabinet for cups and a cabinet for plates. It's all in one cabinet, which I love. So this kitchen up here is actually where we keep all of our pantry items. Food, more food, lots of food. All four of us, it's important we actually sit there almost every night for dinner. You see Addison there. Under this right here where Addison's sitting is another storage space. Kind of like we've got the cat litter on this side. I've got my crock pot, my pots and pans, everything like that under where Addison's sitting right now. Got my full-size refrigerator, which is great. You know, stove, gas stove, love it. And there you go. That's the front part of the house. Got that's another thing I was talking about. We painted some aspen trees there. My favorite ever. Addison is going to show us her favorite part of or her second favorite part of the RV.
The bunk's my favorite part.
So,
this is
our bathroom.
Bathroom, which is a pretty good sized bathroom.
All right, so tell us about the bathroom, Addison.
The bathroom is not much. We got the sink there, and in this basket, we got 3 of these at Aldi, and we just put like toothpaste and medicine and lotion and hair products in there. And then me and my mom, this is pretty much our cabinet with all our hair stuff in it. And this is my dad's cabinet, bottom shelf, and then all our medicines. And a pretty good sized shower. I mean, it's a pretty big shower for an RV.
This is a nice sized shower for an RV.
And then we got our trees. I share this closet with my brother, and it's just that. It's all it is,
All
really.
the clothes.
And then this closet is our dirty clothes and our jackets, which is pretty nice.
All right.
You're pretty nice.
Thanks, Addison.
No problem.
All right, so if you walk through the hallway of the bathroom and the closets, this is the master. Like I said, we're still in the process of redoing everything, but yeah, this is where the magic happens. This is the bed. The cool thing about the bed is, get right through here, lift up, got more storage underneath. So every little nook and cranny, something fell. Every little nook and cranny in here is used for storage space. There is not a space that goes unused when it comes to living in a tiny house. So, all right, kids, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody. Please like and share our videos.
And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with our videos. Bye.